I also write for you, okay? Right? Okay. Division, okay? Right? Division, okay? Clear? Division, right? Fine? Divide, okay? Divide, clear? Divide, okay? Divide, okay? Okay?
Yeah, got it.
Num, okay? Bar, okay? Num, okay? Bar, okay? Num, okay? Bar, by the way, right? This way you have right, okay? Are you also written? Fine? For you? You have
I need to
written?
write numbers. Uh, I I haven't write numbers yet. I
It's
want to
okay, it's
write
okay, it's
division
okay,
and
it's okay,
divide.
it's okay. I think you have written the number, it's okay. Only one time that number is okay. You did the mistake over here, right? Okay? Right, okay?
Okay.
That's all. I have also written. Yeah?
I got it.
Okay, so you not feel that okay, I am okay, only the teacher okay saying to me only to do. I am also doing your work. Yeah? Happy?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now you told to me the division of which number? 14 divided by 3. Clear? Right? Second is the 14 divided by 10. Clear? Right?
Yeah.
Two numbers you give to me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, yeah, what is this? The 14? See, this is not a big number, okay? Big number, what says?
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher. I
Yeah.
did. I did 14 divided by 2.
I
I did 14 divided by 2.
divided by 2, okay? So this
Yeah.
is not a big number, okay? So this is like a multiple, okay? You know the 2 times table, right?
Yeah.
You know the 10 times table,
Yes.
okay? Right, okay? Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Big number we say when? Okay, when it's called a very big number, when I say the 1 4 4 4 4 4 2 2 3 divide by okay 1 0 0 0 0 0, that is a big number. Clear?
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
That is not a big number, right? Okay, that is only we should know the this multiplication table, okay? But the logic is same. Okay, okay. What is the meaning of the logic? The process, right? Okay, how we
Yeah.
do, clear? How we do, right? Okay, same method. Okay, same, nothing
Okay.
different. Clear? Now, how can we do this? The 14 divided by 2, 14, right? Okay, we can put up over here. Fine. Okay, so we have to put a multiplication. Okay, 2 multiply by how much? Make 14 or near to 14? 7.
Yeah.
Okay, that make a 14 over here minus. Okay, we have to subtract 0 and 0. Clear? Right?
Yeah.
You know this one? You know this one?
No.
So what do you know in this? Okay, so you want to say that okay, I know only this one. You can do also this. Okay, 14. Okay, make a 2 to part. Yeah, clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, clear? Divides.
Yeah.
Okay, equally cut. Right? Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So which method you are using generally currently now? This one or this one?
Which one?
In the school, which method you are using? What are these?
We do like the like the straight one, 14 divided by 2, like that.
This one or this one? The first one, the part A or part B? Which one you trying in the school currently? Yeah. Yasha, you understood what I'm asking? I'm saying that, okay, this method you know, or this method you know, or okay, some other method you know.
I do not know this method. The 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 A and B. I only know the straight one, the one I write.
Okay, 2 times 7. Ha, please. 2 times 7. Okay, that one, which I told you earlier
Yeah.
also. Yeah. 14 divided by 2, right? Okay. So 2 times 7, 14, right? Like this way?
Yeah. Yeah.
This one you know?
Yeah, I know.
Except that any other method you have?
No.
Okay. Right. Now, okay, the same thing I'm putting over here. Okay. Same thing, what you did over here now, I'm putting over here. Clear? Right? Okay, we have to just update, okay, few things. Just see that. Now see. Okay. So earlier what we did, 40 divided by 2. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to do what? to use some other numbers or bigger numbers, okay? Easy, because it's not every time works, right? Okay, it's for basic level it works, okay? Right?
Okay.
Clear? Right? So you can see this one 14 over here, okay? 2 over here. Clear? Fine? And you have to think that, okay, I have to 2 multiply by what? Okay? Makes either equal to 14 or most near to 14. Okay? Right?
2 multiplied by 14.
No. 2 multiply by what? 2 multiply by what is equal to 14. Right? Clear?
7.
7. That's all. Okay? Okay. Once you multiply 7, you have to put a 14 over here. Okay? Okay? And you have to put a minus. Clear?
But why minus? We didn't
Because we already divided 14. Okay? With 2 parts. Right?
So
It means
2
that
divided by 4. So
14 divided by
2
2.
times y equal to 14 is 7.
Huh.
So 7 times 2, 14. So 14
Yes, exactly.
divided by 14 minus 14 is 0.
0, right? Okay. So remainder is, this is called the remainder. I told you, no, remainder earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. This is called the quotient. Okay. Right?
Question.
The quotient. Okay.
What's a quotient?
T-I-E-N-T. Okay. What you have to multiply, okay, with 2. It means that in how many parts you can make. You can see here the 14,
Yeah.
right? We are dividing into 2 parts. Okay.
Yeah.
So how many parts are there? 7 parts. Okay. Clear? Right?
Yeah.
This 7 part is called the quotient over here. Understood?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Got it now? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, now easy for you, right? Okay. Now can you read this one? Which should be equal to 14 or most near to 14. Okay? Right? But less than 14, okay?
What does that mean?
But less than 14. I will tell you, right? Okay. Now, okay, I'm taking the another example, okay? 15. I'm taking 15, okay? 15 divided by 2. Clear? Okay? See it over here. Over here 2. Yes, Yashna? Kavin, you can see also see, okay? I'm coming to you. Okay, Yashna? 15 divided by 2?
Yeah.
Now over here, what I told? Okay, something, okay, what I multiply 2 multiply by something, okay, that is equal to 15 or less than 15, okay, but most near to 15, okay, right?
Okay.
Understood now?
Yeah.
Okay, this part you understood? Less than 15, but most near to 15, okay? So what should I add over here? What should I multiply? Okay, I'm getting the 15 in the table of 2. The times table of 2 we are getting 15.
But the times table 2 doesn't have the 15.
14 is there. 2 times 8 will be the 16, right? Okay, 15 is here and 15 is not coming, right? So what we have to do? 15 is not there. So what we have to do over here? Less than 15, but most near to 15. So which one should be?
16.
Huh?
15, 14.
Very good. Right? Okay. So that should be 14, right? Okay. So what should I add now?
14.
No. We have to multiply what then over here at the top? Give me a minute.
Multiply by 7.
Divide by? Multiply by 7, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to write the 14, right? Okay. Now we have to subtract. Okay. What we are getting? 1. Okay. That's all. Okay. What is the meaning? 1 is what? Your remainder. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. This is called the quotient. Okay. Now I will explain to you what is this. Okay. Now, okay, I'm saying that Yashna, you have to make a, okay, this is a 15 things. Okay. 15 toffees. Okay. 15 chocolates. Okay. Okay, everything divide among the 2 parts. Means like a 2 parts. Okay, combination of 2. Clear? So how can you do? 2. Okay, 2. Okay, 2. How many? Okay, up to here the 14 done. Yeah. But you can't divide the 1 chocolate, no? But you can't divide the 1 chocolate into like a two groups, right? Yes. So 1 will be the remaining. Clear? Okay. Because you can't group it 1 with 1, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So what is that? That is a remainder. Okay, that we are getting here. Understood?
Yeah.
Kavin, got it? Huh? Kavin? You got it? what I'm doing? You got it what I'm doing, Praveen? Yashna, you got it what I'm doing?
Yeah,
Explain to me.
you're doing the. You're teaching me the divide, the minus and divide by times.
No, but why I'm doing that? Okay, suppose I'm giving the another number, okay? I'm taking simple number, okay? 5 divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and 4 divided by 2. I'm taking very simple number, okay? Right?
Okay. Yeah.
I'm putting the 4 over here, 2, okay? Multiply, what should be multiplied? 2 multiplied by what should be equal to 4 or less than 4 or but nearest to 4?
2.
2, very good, right? Okay, so 2 will be here. It means that I need to write the 4 over here, okay? Right?
Okay.
Clear? And I have to subtract, okay? 1, clear? Okay? Now you have to make a figure, right? Okay? I'm saying that.
Before minus was 0.
Okay, sorry, huh? I did mistake. Good. I was checking your you are here or not. Okay. So I do mistake, okay? Sometimes. Never mind, okay? Now here is 5 divided by 2, okay? Right?
Okay.
Now what is this? 5 divided by, okay, what is nearest to, okay? Okay, either should be equal to 5 or less than 5 but nearest to 5. Right?
Okay.
Nearest to 5, okay?
4.
Half. The 4 is there, okay. So what should I multiply over here to get the 4?
8.
2 multiply by what I had to get the 4? Huh?
2.
Very good, right? Okay. Yeah. So you have to multiply over here too. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It means that what should I get over here? 2 times 2.
So 2 times 2?
4, right?
Yeah.
Here, minus?
Yeah. Minus 1.
Okay, that is the remainder. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, okay, I want to help you to visualize it, okay, both, right? I'm taking simple number to make you understand, okay? Now I'm saying that, okay, Yashna, you have a, okay, 4 chocolates, right?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to make a group of, okay, group of 2 chocolates each. Clear?
Okay.
Right? How many groups you can form?
I have 4 chocolates. I need to make 4 groups of chocolate.
So 4 chocolate are there. You have to make a group. Group means you have to combine, okay? Right? So you have to make a 2 chocolates, make 2 groups, right?
Yeah.
Anyone? Okay, any chocolate is remaining after making 2 groups? No? No, because you can wrap the 2 chocolates over here, 2 chocolates over here, right?
Yeah.
No chocolates, so that's why you are getting the remainder 0. Clear? Okay. And this 2 is the 2 groups. Okay. Group of 2. Fine. Now here, if I say that you have the 5 chocolate, okay? Clear? You have to make a group of 2, right? Clear?
Okay.
Now, okay. Now how many groups you can make? Group of 2 here.
So I got chocolates. I need to make 5 groups.
No, the 5 chocolates are there, no? Making a group of 2.
5 chocolates need to make group of 2.
How many groups you can make? So chocolate, okay? So you can make a group of 2. Yeah?
No.
Okay?
But there's still one there.
Still one there. So that still is the one remainder. Okay?
Yeah.
Clear? Because you can't make a group of that. Clear? Understood now?
Okay. Yeah.
How to use?
Yeah, got it.
Praveen? You understood how to use it? Yes, now?
Yeah?
Yeah, this one? Thought?
Huh?
This thought is clear to you? How I'm doing? Why I'm doing? Okay. Right. Now I have table, okay? Okay. Now 14 divided by 10, right? How can you do? See, 14, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, right. Okay, 14 and 10, clear? What should I multiply with 10, okay? That I get either 14, okay? Or less than 14, okay? But nearest to 14, okay? Nearest, okay? To 14, clear? Right? And I can write the times table over here, okay? Understood? 10 times 1 will be the 10, 10 times 2 will be the 20, 10 times 3 will be the 30. You know now how to write? Simple, right? Okay, 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. Okay, and 0 over here. Clear? Okay, so now, now tell to me, what is the most nearest?
Huh?
What is the most nearest?
Most nearest.
Okay, either it should be equal to 14 or less than 14, but near to 14. Near to 14.
Okay.
So it should be here somewhere.
3?
14?
Is it 3?
No, 3. How 3?
Near
Wait,
to
wait.
14.
This 14 number is there. Okay,
Yeah.
so I need to see the times table, right? Okay, first,
Okay.
right? Okay, if in the times table, as per the 14, right? Okay, which you have to find either it should be equal to 14 or less than 14, right? Okay, but most near to 14. Clear? Understood now?
13.
You can see them. You can see here 13, but
Yeah.
but the 13 is not near in the table, no? Times table
Yeah.
of 10. Then
Yeah.
12 is also not there. 11 is not there. So 10 is there.
Yeah.
So what we have
So 10 is the most nearest.
10 is the most nearest, okay, in the times table. So 10 times what? 1, right?
10 times 1.
That should
10
be 10,
times 2. Yeah.
right? We have to
Yeah.
separate. We are getting the 4. That's all. You can't able to get the 4, right? Okay, because that is 10 times 0 next. 0, right? So this is the quotient. Okay, this is the remainder, right?
I got it.
Okay, now how can you visualize it? It's the same thing, right? Okay, suppose
What
I'm
does
saying
visualize mean? Visualize.
Huh? What?
Visualize.
Visualize means visualize. Okay, visualize means okay. We are okay. I'm making the C now. I'm helping you
Yeah.
how to make a groups, right? Multiple groups.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is means visualization. Okay, I'm just making a in a picture to explain to you that. Okay, how to connect.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Right. So suppose I'm using that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
And what is the meaning of division? We have to make a group of 10. Okay. So how many group you can make? Yeah. One group. One group of 10. No? Yeah. 10C. So okay, what is the remaining? Because you can't make a group of 10 over here. What is remaining over here? How many chocolates? 4. Okay.
4.
So 4 you are getting in the remainder. Yeah.
Yeah.
And one group you are getting in over here. 10. Got it now?
Yeah.
You understood or just yeah? Just
times divided by 3.
What?
18 divided by 3.
18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. Now see, okay, one more question.
81 divided by 3.
81 divided by 3, okay? Don't worry about that, okay? That I will explain to you, right? Okay? See over here, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. 15, okay, divided by 5, okay? Clear?
Okay.
Fine. 16 divided by 5, okay? Right?
Okay.
Yeah. 19 divided by 5, okay? These three numbers we have to try first, okay? 1 minute. Right? See how I am doing, okay? You know the times table of 5? 5 times 1?
Yeah,
5.
yeah.
5 times 2? 10. 5 times 3? 15.
15.
Okay. 5 times 4? 20.
20.
Okay. 5 times 5? 25. Okay. Only 25 taking because the 19 is the maximum number. Okay. Right?
Okay.
Now, you have to say 15. The 15 is coming in the times table of 5?
15. Yeah.
3. Okay. So, what you have to do? Yes. Okay. Equal to 5.
So, the answer is 3.
3. Right? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. It means that you can make a 3 groups. Okay. Of 5. 1. Okay. Plus no remainder. Okay. Nothing remaining. Clear?
Okay.
Right? Nothing remains. Fine?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. You can also put like a 15 and 5. Okay. Multiply by 3, 15 minus 0. Okay.
Yeah.
So here it says that nothing is remaining. Clear? Second part is what? 16 divided by 5. Okay.
16
Right?
divided by 5.
Now I am putting again here. Okay. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3. Okay. 5 times 4. Okay. 5 times 5. Clear? 5, 10. Okay. 15. You can just write it down for the time being. Okay. Right? 20.
Write it down.
No. You can write the times table. Okay. Only for the time being. Okay. When you become perfect, you don't need to write. Okay. Right? Now, okay. Anything is equal to 16? No. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 16 should be between what number? Which number? Out of here. 16 between what number? 15 and 20. 16 should come here. Somewhere in between. Yeah.
16 will be between the
15 and 20.
Yeah.
but you can see that the 15 is over here, 20 is over here, and you have to take either 16 or less than 16, but most near to 16. What is that? 15, right?
15, yeah.
So I can take the 15 here. Now I can divide it, okay? 16 by, okay, multiply by, what is the nearest? 15, okay? Multiply by 3, 15 minus 1, okay? And the 1 is coming in any table? No, right? No, because if before this one you're going, you don't have to take, okay? That will, because that is the 5 times 0 is equal to 0, clear? Before 1 times table, you have to take 0, okay? We are saying that 2 times 1 is equal to 4, okay?
42% dark, Daddy. 42% dark.
32% battery, don't worry about that. 32% more than enough.
Okay.
What is the percent, you know?
Huh?
What is the percent? You said that 32% battery.
Yeah.
What is the percent?
The charge?
32%. What is this percent? You say that, no? Charge. Okay, charging. What is the meaning of this? 32, okay, per. Okay, cent. Okay, what is the cent? 100. Okay, we say century.
Okay.
Clear? Century.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
100. Okay, right? So you are dividing what? 32 divided by 100. Okay?
Okay.
That is the 30%. Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
Understood? So if you visualize, this is a 100%. Okay?
So 32 divided by 92.
No, 100, right? Okay, so you will get a almost only 32
Okay.
remaining. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? Out of 100.
Yeah.
Understood? That is your charge.
Okay.
Understood? How it's apply in your life? Yeah? Every time. You say
So-
32%, 32%.
So,
So percent means per.
so I got 100%.
100% means 100 out of 100, right? Okay? That is,
Okay.
the quotient will be 1, no remainder. Okay? Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
Fine. And this is called the per. Okay? Per. Okay? This is called the cent. Okay? Right?
Okay.
Got it now? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now see over here. What is the remainder? It means what? 3 groups you can make, right? Okay? Of 5 each plus 1 remaining. Okay? 1 chocolate remaining. Clear? To get group. Fine. Now again, I can go for the next one also. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3, okay? 5 times 4, okay? 5 times 5, okay? What is that? Yasha? Yeah, please tell. Yes, please tell. 19 divided by 5, okay, what should be
19.
nearest to, what should be nearest to, you can say
19.
either equal to 19, okay, between what to what come here, right? You can mark like this way, okay? So 19 will come here. So 15 should be nearest, very good, right, okay? Fine, so what do you have to write over here? Praveen, have you sent to me? Yeah.
I'm going to send this up.
Okay. So Yashna, again I'm writing, okay, 15, 5, okay, right? Multiply 5 times, how much? 3. This one, okay. 15, okay, minus, how much you get? No, this is a 19 now. 19 minus 15, how much?
19 minus 15.
4, okay? Okay.
4.
Okay, so you can make a 3 groups, okay? Plus, okay, 4 chocolate remaining, right, okay? Okay, not grouped, clear?
Okay.
Understood?
So
Understood
7.
all the 3 question?
Yeah.
What? No, you understood now, because it's only 4. You need minimum 5, okay? You need 5 to make a group, okay? But only 4 are there, no? So you can't make group,
Yeah.
right? Clear?
So I can make the group.
You can do the same question again by yourself and try by yourself, okay? First.
Wait. So 3 groups and 4 chocolates.
4 chocolates remaining, right, okay?
Okay.
That is not grouped, okay? Right? You understood me?
Then how do I make the group?
No, this is the 3 groups I already mentioned, okay? See, I'm making a, suppose, 19, okay? C, okay? C, okay? C. Clear? I'm saying that only the 5 people allowed, okay? Right? Only the 5 seats are there, okay? Okay? In one group, okay? So you can make a 5 group, you can make a 5 group, you can make a 5 group. Now these 4 are not big group, okay? Because these are not 5, right?
Yeah.
Yes?
They're
Yes, sir?
not even.
Huh? Yeah, you can say, yeah, it's a 4, no? It's a 4 only. 4 people can't make group, right? Suppose I'm saying that, okay, in the football or cricket, right? Okay, 11 people should be there, okay? 11 players should be there,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
But I have only, okay, 10 players. Okay, I can't make a team.
Okay.
Right? Fine?
Yeah.
Yes? Understood? I can't make a
Yeah.
team. I can't say that, okay, I have only the 5 players, only the 5 players will play in front of 11 players. No.
Okay.
Right? Clear?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so means minimum 5 should be there, means the you can say the 5 should be there. Now in a car, right?
Okay.
Think a car, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 4 people can sit, right? Okay, only, right? In one car. Yeah,
Okay.
4 people can
So
sit.
cars for people.
So suppose you can say that 5 people are there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can they able to sit 4 people? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, okay. So 1 will be remaining, right?
Yeah.
Clear? So you can make a group of 4 only, right?
Yeah. Okay.
That is different. Okay, the person can go in dicky also, right? Okay, let the last part, okay?
Yeah.
Over there, okay?
Yeah. The
In the
trunk.
luggage area. Yeah.
The trunk.
Understood now?
Yeah.
Okay, can you write these all? Okay, these all try by yourself. 15 by divided by 5, 16 divided by 5.
Do I need to write?
You have to do by yourself first, right? Okay, try. And if you not
So
get
do I
it,
need to write